Okay, welcome back. Let's talk about step two. How do you actually edit a picto? So once you've got a picto inserted into a slide and you share it with your coworkers or friends or colleagues or whatnot, how do they go about editing it? Well, pretty simple stuff. So the first thing they would have to do is select the picto, and then on the select shape screen at the very bottom here, you'll see edit selected picto. Once you click on that, it will bring up all of the information of the shape and the image. At that point, you could change the image or change the shape like so and insert. And once it pulls all of the data of the image and masks it into the shape, it will then update it like so. You can, of course, resize. Some other things to note is that let's say you wanted to change both of these to something else. So let's say you wanted to change it to that. Actually, let's pick a different one. Like, yeah, that's nice. So the first thing you would do is just select both or select any number of pictos that you wanted to change. And just once everything is to your liking, click on Insert Picto. And what it will do is any pictos that you've selected, it will just change into the new picto that you have created. And so that's how you edit a picto.